Now we are going to learn how to graph lines by plotting points. Suppose we want to graph a line is x plus 2y is equal to 2. So what we will do, we will plot points, we will draw a table, we will give some random values to x. So make sure you give some positive values to x, 0, and some negative values to x. And now we have to find the corresponding y value. So here, this is the relation we are given, or the line equation we are given. So this line equation gives us a relation between x and y. So what we can do, we can plug in x values one by one here and find the corresponding y value. So when x value is 1, replace x with 1 in this equation and solve for y. So subtract 1 on both sides. So we get 2y is equal to 1, and now divide both sides by 2, we get y value half. And we get a point x comma y, that is 1, and half can be written as 0.5. Now when x value is 2, find the corresponding y value. Replace x with 2 in this equation and solve for y. So subtract 2. We get 2y is equal to 0, and divide both sides by 2, we get y value 0. So y value is 0, so we get another ordered pair 2 comma 0. Similarly, we can plug in other values. Let's now plug in x is equal to 0. When x value is 0, the corresponding y value is, plug in 0 in this equation, 0 plus 2y is equal to 2. 2y is equal to 2, and y value is, divide both sides by 2, is 1. So y value is 1 when x value is 0. Similarly, let's try minus 2. You have to find all the values. So let's try when x value is minus 2. What is the corresponding y value? Replace x with, so this is the equation, x plus 2y is equal to 2. Replace x with minus 2. Plus 2 on both sides, and we have to solve for y. 2y is 4, and then divide both sides by 2. We get y value is 2. So we get minus 2 comma 2. Similarly, we can complete this table. And now what we have to do after we complete this table, we have to plot all these points on the rectangular plane and combine all those points with a straight line, and that will be the line graph. So let's write down these ordered pairs here. So 1 comma 0.5. The second ordered pair is 2 comma 0. The next one is 0 comma 1. Then the next one is minus 2 comma 2. Let's plot all these points on xy plane, x-axis and y-axis. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 1, minus 2. This is 0. Let's plot 1 and half. Remember, the first coordinate represents x value, second coordinate represents a y value. 1 is here and the half is here. So this point, 2 comma 0, x value is 2, y value is 0. X value is 0, y value is 1. And then x value is minus 2 and y value is positive 2. This is the point. Now combine all these points with a straight line, and this is the line graph of the given line. Extend this line on both sides and you get the equation of this line, that is x plus 2y is equal to 2. This is called plotting lines, graphing lines by plotting points. So we have to give some random x values, find the corresponding y values, then plot all those ordered pairs on a rectangular plane and join all the dots with a straight line and extend the line on both sides. Thank you so much.